Hi, my name's Tegan. I'm one of the owners here at Jacobs Trading. Today we're actually going to be talking about salt lamps, and I'm going to be answering some of your most asked questions. To start, we're going to talk about how they actually work. So salt lamps are actually natural ionizers that actually change the electrical charge in the circulating air. They produce ions by attracting water particles to the surface of the salt lamp that are then evaporated as the salt lamp heats up, creating negative ions that disperse through the air. Studies have actually shown that exposure to high levels of negative ions produce serotonin, which is actually your mood regulation chemical. Negative ions can actually be found naturally in larger amounts from things like oceans, waterfalls, or actually directly before storms. So if you find yourself being very calmed and relaxed from any kind of a thunderstorm or a rain shower, it's because of these negative ions that are produced in large amounts. Due to these properties, salt lamps can be really beneficial for things like relaxation and sleep. They're also really beneficial for people with allergies or if you want to have more air purification in your home. So to start, we're going to talk about some tips for your salt lamp. The first thing is to make sure you get one that actually has an incandescent light bulb. So this one has just a normal light bulb. Your cord might come with some other type of light bulb. It depends on the brand, but be sure to avoid salt lamps that actually come with LED bulbs, as they're not going to do their purpose because they're not going to heat them up, which is what creates the negative ions. On that note, make sure you actually have your salt lamp plugged in as much as possible. We do sometimes have people complaining that their salt lamp is sweating. This is actually because you have it turned off. So it's still going to attract that moisture to the salt because that's what salt naturally does. But if you have it turned off, it's going to just have it pool on there as opposed to evaporating into the air, which is creating those negative ions. The next thing we're going to talk about is how to clean your salt lamp. So just be sure to use just a very soft cloth and just a little dampness to it, and you can just wipe them gently. Never submerge your salt lamp fully because they are just that. They are made of salt, so they will actually dissolve if you put too much moisture on them. That's it for today, guys. If you have anything that we missed, be sure to comment below and we'll get that answered for you. If you like what you saw, be sure to check us out. We're located at 1600 Regent Avenue West in Winnipeg. Or if you're not from here, you can check us out online at yeoldrockshop.com. We also have a YouTube channel if you want to see more of our content. And that's it for today. Have a great rest of your day, guys.